My name is Mat Voyce. I'm a graphic and motion designer who specialises in kinetic typography and letter forms. Over the years, I've collaborated with companies like BBC, Disney Plus, and Honda. Typography brings people together. It's like speaking a language that opens a door to people and cultures from around the world. That's why being able to add fun little touches to lettering is pretty damn cool. Playing around with Adobe Illustrator and After Effects, I try to push the boundaries between illustration, typography, and animation to bring more life to my work. In this Domestika course, you're going to learn how to create expressive letter forms in Adobe Illustrator and how to animate them in Adobe After Effects. For your final project, you'll be creating a fun and positive character-filled phrase, using kinetic type to express its personality through movement. We will start by looking at different forms of typography and motion and explore all of the programs we're going to use in this course. We will then research an impactful phrase, animated typography reference points, and colour palettes. I'll show you how to form the composition of your lettering and get started in Adobe Illustrator. We'll work with vectors and organise our phrase over multiple layers, so then later we can animate it easily. Next, you'll learn how to colour and position your composition before later transferring it to After Effects. I will show you how to animate your phrase, give each letter a little bit of personality, and create your kinetic typography. Finally, I'll show you how to export your work as a GIF and how to share it with the world. By the end of this course, you're going to be able to animate a phrase in After Effects from the initial brainstorming right through to the final export. To follow this course, you're going to need some basic knowledge of After Effects and Illustrator. Learn how to create a bridge between illustration and animation and become a master of your own projects.